Hello everyone, welcome back. So, let's get started. So we have Thomas over here pointing Annie and Clarabelle as to the station. Emily with the express car and Percy in the back as the bullet train. Okay, there's the bridge. Trucks, coaches, trains, diesels there, but we moved that shit from over there to here because I think that's more easier. Yeah, who's in here? Ashima, Timothy, and the new engine. Yeah, there's also a new engine. I forgot the name sometime. I might do a vote for that engine's name. And the same for that bullet train. Yeah. None too big actually happened. Oh yeah, Toby's over here now. Oh yeah. In this shed over here, I found the engine that I need to use. Hold up. This engine. Yeah, it's one of my old Thomas One Railway stuff, but I just painted it black. With red eyes, red nose, red mouth. Yeah, original. Remember the guy? Yeah. Choo Choo and Sheba. Yeah. Yeah, that's for it. Yeah, Cranky over here. I mean, happy, not cranky. Yeah. Nothing else to show here. Nothing else, no. But if I do something more, like, what is this track gonna connect to? Oh yeah, I forgot. There's an unfinished bridge that I want to connect from here to there. But that's gonna take a while. Gotta find a way. But so, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, maybe share this video hopefully. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.